Hello guys, Yulianna is here. Today in this video I would like to talk about different business ideas, manufacturing business ideas which will only grow in the next decade. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I am a big fan of different online types of businesses, but many people love to run their business offline. That's why I decided to prepare this video and talk more about different promising business ideas which will grow in the next couple of years and you can run them offline. But before we begin, please subscribe if you haven't done it yet and press the like button if you find value in this video. So let's begin. Number one is biometric sensors. I find this idea very promising in many ways, especially in the time of pandemic. We see in movies how they use this technology in some secret places. Why not to use it more in our daily life to make it easier and more secure? You can sell it to some office business centers, schools, daycares, residential buildings and many more places. Basically, you will have some database with people who work or live in those buildings, so they can enter without any keys and any additional checks. If some visitor is not in that database, then he will contact security or concierge. You can manufacture biometric sensors yourself or buy some basic models and add their necessary features. For example, with that vaccination requirements, people are tired to prove that they are vaccinated and show their proof of vaccination and their ID each time they enter their workplace. At least this is what we experience right now in Canada. So you can add this feature, for example, vaccination status, let's say it's there. If a person is vaccinated, the system will let that person enter without any additional checks. Next one, artificial intelligence toys. Every parent wants to have their kids smart and they are ready to pay a lot of money to grow their kids as smart as possible. The problem is that we as parents are busy with our daily tasks. Unfortunately, not so often we have enough time to teach our kids some things which require monotone, routine, repeatable tasks. It would be nice to have some toy which can teach my child to count, to read, to recognize some letters and numbers, to teach him different skills or even a different language. Next one, eco-friendly cutlery and kitchen items. Luckily, lately, more and more companies are getting rid of plastic and searching for some other alternatives in daily use. You can start making eco-friendly cutlery and different kitchen items such as cutting boards, handles for knives, and so on. I remember that a couple of years ago I read that one guy created a factory where he makes one-time use cutlery from oats. He presses it in needed shapes and it is a very eco-friendly. He built a very successful business in Poland. There is a very big demand in this field, so if you like this business idea, you can think or Google which materials are more suitable for you to run this business. Next one, recyclable diapers. This is that type of business that has a huge demand. On average, a newborn uses up to 12 diapers per day, and in the first year, up to 3,000 diapers. Can you imagine this amount? Easy. And this is only for the first year. I remember when my son was little, I used to do really a lot of research about this topic and try to find some alternatives. There is some cloth diapers, which, to be honest with you, is not so working mom friendly, let's say, because I wasn't ready to wash it and to replace it. I prefer to buy some recyclable diapers, which can make my life easier and in the same time can be good for ecology. I remember I read in one book that one child uses up to 5,000 diapers. Unfortunately, I forgot the name of that book, but still this number is crazy. It takes around 500 years to decompose one diaper. Can you imagine how many generations will die and that diaper is still not decomposed? It is really sad. Luckily, technology and science develops and there are many nice alternatives available now. For example, you can start manufacturing bamboo recyclable diapers. It is a great business because new kids are born daily, so you have new clients coming regularly. I'm sure many parents would love to buy those recyclable diapers, especially if they are made locally. At least I try to support local business owners as much as I can, so I hope the others do the same. Next one, Customizable and environment-friendly bags and totes for women. Fashion is that type of business which will live and grow with time. All of us want to show our unique personalities, especially women. They do it mostly through clothes. If you know how to sew, or if not, so you can hire someone to do it for you. So your job will be to create different designs and different styles of those bags on totes. You can make customizable bags and other accessories from fabric, jeans, or even from leather, especially popular to make some cute totes. You can add some unique elements such as ethnic embroidery or your client's name. Luckily, in many countries, plastic bags are not as popular as they used to be before, mostly because of its influence on our ecology. Of course, one plastic bag takes around 1000 years to decompose in a landfill. Beautiful and stylish tote can be a good replacement. Next one, customized 3D wallpaper manufacturing business. It is a great business, especially popular for feature walls. Nowadays, feature walls are so popular and very stylish. The idea is that all the walls in the room, they are more plain, some natural colors, but one special wall, feature wall, has different texture and much different color. It is quite expensive to do a real featured wall. One of my friends paid over $1,500 for one featured wall in his bedroom. You can create customized 3D wallpapers which can be used as a featured wall. Your services can be that you can only make those wallpapers, or you even can include into your services installing them too. All you need to do is just to buy a custom printing machine, upload there some photos, and just do it. Next one, customized furniture making. It is a great idea to have some transformable furniture which you can use in different ways. It is good for small apartments or houses with many people. It is great to have some table which can be transformable into something else. For example, into a bench. You can find so many nice ideas on the internet. Just Google it and your creativity will be unstoppable. Very often we love our furniture, but we are simply bored with it. We want something new. Transformable furniture will not let you become bored of it. You can use it in different ways and create new styles of your room. If you are a handyman, you can start doing it yourself. Later, you can outsource it, so someone else will do it for you and you will just create some designs which styles you would like to have. Next one, organic fertilizers. It is a great business idea, but only if in your country it is not covered by government. For example, in Canada, to become even more specific, in Alberta, in this province where I live right now, this idea is implemented on the government level, which means that everyone should separate garbage and collect food scraps and different organic waste, and then it will be used in creating organic fertilizers. Everyone is eligible to take up to 100 liters per year of these fertilizers for free for their own needs. If you live in the country where all food waste just goes to garbage, it can be a good business idea to create some manufacturing where all organic waste can be used in creating natural fertilizers. First of all, you are helping ecology. And second, you create needy products which can be used in gardening too. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please share with us in comments your favorite manufacturing business ideas. If you found value in this video, please press the like button and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you in my next video.